There are so many tools that are actually helping people with the data analysis as well, the AI tools. And today, we have some major advancement like, to judge and to know the customer's behavior. And so for instance, if you are, going with a client in a meeting and you know that AI predicts the behavior of the client for you, is it ethical to use that information? Just fear of missing out. For some people, we use the things that can create fear of missing out function in that. So is it ethical to use that kind of information, to close the deals?
Excellent question. See, if manipulation
Yeah.
is actually helping somebody with clarity
Yeah.
and bringing a real-time benefit to them, okay, that is absolutely ethical.
Okay.
But if you're just doing it to hit your quota and close deals for the sake of closing deals, probably this would give you a short-term gain, but since we've been talking about building relationships, it would significantly backfire. So that is not ethical. So creating fake FOMO is not ethical.
I would say that the very diplomatic answer would be
That's what I do best, actually.
Yeah, that's your work.
Exactly.
But you did it very, very nicely.
Thank you. I'll take it as a compliment.
And so, eventually, if you talk about the benefit of the end user, and if you are doing that, that's correct, and you are doing it rightly.
Exactly.
Right?
If I'm able to solve a genuine problem that you are actually not able to, and you are not able to, see, that's very similar to going to a doctor. Okay?
Yeah.
And I know, what problem do you have?
Yeah.
Okay? And you just go and say that I have a knee pain. Okay. And doctor actually knows this can be handled by giving you a certain medicine, but I still want to be sure about it.
Yeah.
So I would say, okay, go have some tests, get me an X-ray, and then I'll diagnose.
Absolutely.
So that is exactly what I'm saying in this. So
another wonderful example from a salesperson.
Yeah, exactly. What if I give you a medicine that is, just solving the problem for the shorter period of time to maybe a painkiller, but it would not eventually solve the real problem. Exactly. Wow. So that is exactly what we do. We are diagnosticians in sales, actually. Yeah, that is how I recommend people in sales, just rather than just pitching a product, we diagnosticians. That is exactly the framework we have built. When we go on the call, it's just, I set this expectation before being on the call that for the next 30 minutes, it is just an assessment call. Okay. I want to understand, what bottlenecks you have, your problems, your positives, your bads, anything that you can share that can help me map out a right solution for you.